What do we got up here? What do we got up here, Gabe Cruz? Wow. Look at this. Finally, after all the videos we've done.
So they Linexed an egg, and then they dropped it.
So we finally got an egg.
Try to crush it.
Congratulations.
I think it's an egg at all.
Try it.
Go, try it.
Oh, yep, it's indestructible.
Oh! Did you hear that? I think it might have been the wood underneath, though.
Dude, what the heck? Oh! Where'd it go?
Oh no!
You hit the router!
Broke our internet. I feel like we've been getting gypped this whole time because this is like...
That could have been the already cracked egg, though. There is one that's already cracked inside.
He said when he was putting the Linex on, the shell cracked, but the membrane was still intact, and he Linexed over the membrane
That's
still.
a cantaloupe.
Gross. Black.
I went to the grocery store and I looked like the healthiest person ever. That's not really the case. So what we're doing today is the Linex and regular fruit drop, off the rails drop.
So what fruit is this?
A gallon of cold milk.
Every bone in my body said, throw this at Gibbs Wang Danga. And then I didn't, because I'm a good friend.
I really appreciate that, thank you. We have a head of lettuce. That's next. We also have the head of lettuce.
That's like
covered in Linex.
It's still sticky.
We have some bananas, which
You're gonna waste all of
I
that?
think we should just eat because they look good.
Yeah, can I have one?
We have a cantaloupe, as Daniel called what?
The rock melon.
A rock melon. What?
The flush goes the other way, and we call this a rock melon. You're saying I could juggle these and they won't break? Sorry.
An eggplant?
Hey, but this isn't Linexed. After all I've done for you.
I thought you would be more impressed with the eggs.
We did it!
2 months.
We've accomplished it! We Linexed an egg! Could this video get the most likes on YouTube?
I give Aaron the coolest Linex inventions ever. Linex wheels, Linex trucks. That one's not Linex. That was like the worst thing you've ever done. And every time, where is the egg? How do we not have an egg yet? And I'm just like, Aaron, be patient.
Here's the thing is, I see these videos on the internet of like a red cup, one of those red cups that break very easy.
Can we please handle this?
And then Gabe comes in and he says, guess what? They have a more strong Linex and they Linexed the red cup and I stood on it. And I'm like, no kidding. I've only seen the video 3,000 times and tell you about it every day.
They've been Linexing our stuff with what's called standard. This is the platinum Linex, which is 300 times stronger than the regular ones that we've been using.
So we need to do every video over again
With the platinum, yes. You have the pineapple.
Then you have the goth pineapple.
This is like pretty much the sickest thing I've ever
awesome,
seen.
Dude?
Yeah.
It looks like Venom took over a pineapple.
I need to get a picture with this.
We have some more eggs. We have a Linex head of lettuce, which is pretty impressive how he did that. And last but not least, we have a gallon of milk, which is still filled.
Can you guys relax for a second? There's definitely chunky milk in there.
Yep.
You know you're supposed to refrigerate milk.
I'm doing my best, man. I'm doing my best.
Gabe's like trying to impress us. Everything he gets, he finally gets the egg. We're like,
the egg is seeping into the crack.
I'm saying right under my desk.
don't worry, I'll clean it up. No big deal. Gabe, we should Linex a quarter pipe. And we Linex a quarter pipe.
In Finding Nemo, the mine. That's what I hear.
We should Linex
And that's
our
what I've
pants.
heard for the last 2 months with the egg. Egg. And now I give them the damn egg, and it's not good enough.
Everything I have to not just throw these eggs at every person, you know? It's really hard.
It cracked.
Go. Nothing. Didn't hear nothing. I don't know how he knew. He knew though.
Hey!
Yeah, it just bounced right off of him.
Censor that.
Look, he bought like, what are we gonna do with these? Drop one off and be like, oh, there it was.
Scrambled egg.
What do we start with? The head of lettuce? Okay, Linex versus non-Linex test, volume 1, Fetty, head of lettuce. It is kind of floppy. That's all you're gonna do?
Wow.
That was it, huh?
Where is the force?
Okay, So that was head of lettuce. Toss that back up here, that let of lettuce.
Come on, give it some strength, Aaron.
Okay.
There you go.
There we go.
Black Angus.
Anybody want a salad?
Versus the Linex head of lettuce. I mean, it's like properly in order, right?
Wow.
Nothing.
It bounced.
All it did was scare Carlitos.
Did I do the coconut?
Throw that back up here. Wow. Nothing.
Oh wait.
Oh, wait.
Hold up, what happened?
We have leakage.
Okay, toss that brain up here.
Oh, you got hit.
I'm gonna axe that thing in a minute. Coconut, we didn't get Linex, but we got a coconut. So give it everything you got, Fetty. I know you like to rage, so rage this coconut.
Or nuts.
Oh, wow!
Carlos, did you get that?
Way to hit the cardboard.
Didn't even come close.
Is it good, Troy? Hey, it like completely skinned it.
Dude, yeah.
Is it good?
Here you go, Fetty. I'm gonna take another one to eat as well. Mike?
Yeah, save one for me.
What? Save one for you. Go ahead. That was the most anticlimactic thing I think I've ever seen in my entire life.
Look at how far Carlos progressively keeps moving away from the danger zone.
When bananas get all mushy like that, it's literally the grossest thing.
We put bananas all over and we skate through them.
Good idea. Gabe.
You just did something.
3, 2, 1. Wow.
Demolished.
That was a lot better than I thought it would be.
That was awesome.
It's good.
1. Is it tomato or is it tomato? Leave it in the comments
It's
below.
tomato. You said tomato first.
3, 2, 1. Ew.
Oh, I hate
That's
tomato.
disgusting. 3, 2, 1. If only we had a tomato that was Linexed, this could be a real comparison. Okay, what's this? A grapefruit? 3, 2, 1. Wow.
Oh, it looks exactly like the tomato.
Tomato, tomato, potato, potato. 1.
What is that?
Apple. 3, 2, and 1.
Wow.
Jeez.
Gonna get an action. What are you doing?
Wait.
So,
Wait.
I'm gonna throw this like a football.
An eggplant?
Oh!
What's in there?
That's weird looking.
Is that a wasp nest in
I
there?
don't think I've
Is
ever.
that a wasp? No, it's eggplant. We're gonna do an actual comparison. Here, Carlos, move over here. 3, 2, 1. Wow.
Dude, that was sick.
Linex versus non-Linex. All right, toss that part up. 1. Wow. Dude. Ew, there's seeds everywhere.
Carlos, you got something on your face, man.
Pineapple? Yeah, toss that up. Oh no! Oh no.
I didn't think it matters. Totally fine. Oh! That's mean.
Oh no!
That's what you get.
3, 2, 1. Oh wow.
Wow. Not
Kind of-
bad.
Kind of flattened it. Troy's very carefully walking over there. 1. Oh no! Wow.
Dude! Oh! Something happened!
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wow.
Yep, the top's coming off.
Wow. That looks so awesome.
We gotta keep that.
We're gonna do an actual like egg versus egg. 3, 2, 1. We'll do it again.
Slam an egg down?
Yeah, slam an egg down.
Let's do it again. 3, 2, 1.
Dude, that's amazing.
All right, I'm slamming this.
Slam it. Whoa! It bounced all the way back up
You
here.
could bounce that and catch it.
We're gonna give Uzi the honors of dropping the milk.
Wow.
I'd say there's a 20% chance.
20%
Break
chance? It's breaking open.
That's 100% chance.
What do you?
I think Carlos is in the splash zone.
Maybe you should drop it like this so it lands there.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
No! 20% chance of the break.
I told you he was in the splash zone.
There was a 2% chance Carlos was gonna get hit.
1.
Do it again!
3, 2, 1. Ah!
Dude!
It leaked. It
Who
leaked.
threw an egg? Who threw the egg? This is the worst thing we've ever done, dude.
When life gives you lemon, make an omelet. Glad they're like, the milk is leaking. Put it on a box. Daniel's going inside. What are you doing? You don't even need to get far away. Stand right here. Clean up, aisle 5.
What? Wait.
It's keeping the milk jug alive.
What?
Pull it out, it'll lose all its juice.
Do we have another arrow though? This is actually the new way. Go to the store, Linex your eggs, bring them home. No broken eggs.
No, now, literally, don't ever take that off. We just need to hang this up somewhere.
Gross.
Dude, that's amazing.
Seriously? Oh man, that's incredible. It's actually incredible. What?
Wow.
Oh! Oh! Right on your split.
That's what you get. That's what you get.
I'm done with it. Oh! I just washed these pants. Wow, look at this.
Oh, that was disgusting.
Home run derby!
I'm gonna go wash my entire body.
It though. Yes. Why is that so satisfying? D-Reich!
Oh, that was a good one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, God.
Oh.
It's still going. It went all the way to the cactus. I'm surprised.
True science in the making. Check out all the other videos right there. You'll have an absolute blast. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Let us know what you want to see next in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.